Today we are going to learn about two operators in Python that beginners often mix up. They are double equals and is keyword. Both can compare things, but they compare different things entirely. By the end of this video, you will know exactly when to use each one and why choosing the wrong one can cause bugs. The double equals operator checks if two values are equal. It does not care where the values are stored in memory. It only looks at the content. So if two variables both hold the number 10, double equals returns true. The values match, and that is all it checks. Now, let us see double equals in code. We create a variable called a and assign it the value 10. We create a variable called b and also assign it 10. When we write a double equals b, Python compares the two values. Both hold 10, so the result is true. This keyword works differently. It does not compare values at all. It checks whether two variables point to the exact same object in memory. Every object Python creates gets a unique address. This keyword asks, are these two variables looking at the same address? Now let us try this keyword in code. We assign the value 10 to a. Then we write b equals a. Both variables now point to the same object. When we write a is b, Python checks the memory address. They match, so the result is true. This is the key difference between the two. Double equals asks whether two variables hold the same value. This keyword asks whether two variables are the exact same object in memory. You can have two variables with equal values that are not the same object. That is when the results differ. Let us see that difference clearly. We create two separate lists, each containing the numbers 1, 2, and 3. The values are identical. Double equals returns true because the contents match, but is returns false because Python created two separate list objects. They live at different memory addresses. Now, let us look at the opposite case. We assign a list to a variable called a. Then we write b equals a. We are not creating a new list. We are just giving the same object a second name. So is returns true because both variables point to the exact same object in memory. There is one important rule in Python. When checking if a variable holds the value none, always use this keyword. Never use double equals. None is a special singleton object. There is only ever one none in memory. This keyword is the correct and reliable way to check for it. Here is a concrete example of the danger. We define a class called tricky. Its equality method always returns true no matter what it is compared to. We then create an instance called x. When we print x double equals none, Python returns true, even though x is a tricky object, not none. When we print x as none, Python checks the memory address and correctly returns false. This keyword cannot be fooled. To summarize, use double equals when you want to compare values, such as comparing two numbers, strings, or lists. Use the as keyword when you want to check object identity, or when checking for none. A simple rule to remember, for none checks, the as keyword is always the right choice. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found this lesson helpful and easy to understand. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly programming tutorials and helpful tips. Feel free to comment your questions or thoughts below. I love hearing from you and I try to respond to every comment. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. See you in the next lesson.